Hi everybody, this is Robin Moses and we are going to be doing crystallized snowmen. I'm starting this tutorial with the wand and it's at robinmosesnailart.com. And for the different things, I'm going to be using black polish, and I just use Wet n Wild polish, and I prefer this top. You can still get this at the dollar store. The top coat I'm going to use is the Matte by Dazzle Dry Matty, and you can use Wet n Wild matte coat as well. It works great. And for the snowman, I'm using the Elite 99 for no other reason except for it is very inexpensive on eBay, and I don't use this as a gel that I apply to nails. I use this only for art, so I keep a bottle on hand just for the nail art. So that is what I'm going to be using with this, and just plain craft paints, probably some blue, just general craft paints you get at Michael's, $1 each, and we will begin. So so I'm going to do some snowmen, and so I have all my colors out, and I have white, and I just thinned it down way thin, and I mean super thin. Let me try to make it even thinner. Boom. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to get one of these out. Okay. What this is an eyelash separator wand, and I heard that some of you guys can't find them on eBay. So if you guys can give each other ideas on how to find them, what they are is they separate the eyelashes when you get false eyelashes put on individually, and you buy 100 of them at a time. And they are very inexpensive, and they are awesome for so many different things. This is like a sponge on the end, and it doesn't come off. So you like it. So anyways, so I'm going to go in with the white and make the snowman's head, and this is just watery, just real watery. I'm going to, okay, here we go, just water it, and then just water it, and you just want to make like a like a snowman ghost, like that. That's what I want. Now it takes a while for you guys to get the hang of it, especially if you're new to painting, but water, 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 and then wherever you need to, like, scrape off the middle of each circle like this, and that gives them the illusion of them being kind of 3D. See how this is real white? I don't want that, so I make it thinner, and then just water, 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 and then watery background. So I'm going to go across all of them like this, and then as it dries up, take my little scrubber thing and scrub out the center, and I'm going to keep on going. Okay, I'm going to do one more for you guys and then be done. But that's too white, and so I'm going to water it down, and then I'm going to do the circle, 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 making each one bigger as I go down, and then push it to the end. Dun 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 dun. Evil client, you're gonna have glass snowman. Poo doo 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 doo. Pull out the color in the center. In the center. And yeah, I just made this up in my mind. I don't even know if it's going to come out, but in my mind it looks really cool. So I'm going to do that, and like that. Okay, so that, see how they already look cool. Meet you back. All right, so now I have Wet n Wild matte top coat. This is $1, so I'm going over each one with the matte top coat real well. And if you notice, when you matte, it makes it a little bit more, what is that, demure? I should have used Dazzle Dry, dang it. Anyway, I'm going to let this dry and meet you back. Okay, so I have foil glue. Boom. This is foil glue. But you can get whatever kind of foil glue that works best for you. Okay. I am just going to put the foil glue in the centers of these little things. Okay. Like that. When it dries, it'll dry clear. And if you don't have foil glue and foils, that's okay. This step you can skip. And I'm using materials that I don't use a lot in my videos, and I'm sorry for that, but you can skip steps. Here would be a good place that you could put some clear glitters or any kind of like unicorn chromes or whatever. This is a good place, like just right here. I want to make a sheer foil that goes under here. So that's what I'm doing. So I need the foil glue right here. And then when this dries, I will meet you back with the foil.
You are? Or they might
filming.
not know you and not know you in person, but I know they know who.
I'm filming.
Oh.
And I am opal foil. I wanted everybody to hear your voice. See that it gets quiet when I start filming. Okay, so see, this is what I'm doing is I'm just adding a quick little bloop of foil on here, and that's going to make them look extra delicious when I put the top coat. I mean, when I put the, well, you can put top coat too, but you guys will see what I'm up to. So yeah, I know they know who I am mostly. Okay, so here we go. We live in a town with 4 people in it. Okay, so there's that. So do you see how they kind of show? They're like little ghosties. So now is where you would add your top coat. Oh crap. And okay, so I am going to add gel. So I'm going to build the gel one little blob at a time. So the gel is going to go in over the snowman like this, and then I'm going to put it in the light. You know, what light do I want to use? There's so many. Let's do a little baby light. Okay. So I'll do them one at a time and use the light, and then after that, I'm just going to keep on building the gel up so there's little bubbles, and then I'll meet you back. Okay, now how awesome is this? Okay, I'm going to zoom in, evil client, if I can. Okay, is that right? Okay. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay, so do you see how I put just a little bit of extra like on there to make them look bubbly? So I want to make sure that you guys can see this well, because they look like bubbles. And if you use this, I want you to show me, because you can do now whatever you want to do, it's up to you. So I would recommend not putting on any kind of clothing on your snowman that's white. I mean, that's black, because it's not going to show. But you can decorate them however you want. Is my brush? Wait, hold on. No, it's fine. Okay. So I'm going to put the hats on. And you would decorate them just like normal with the acrylic paint, and then when you're done, do a quick top coat of either gel or just regular top coat. But when you put the black eyes on, they'll show over the bubbles. And then like this. And I was wondering like how I could do a carrot nose. I really wished I would have had a 3D carrot, but you know, like how are you gonna order that? Can I have a 3D carrot that big? You know, somebody's like, I sell those on my website, tinycarrots.com. So there's this. I'm gonna make little arms coming out. And if you wanted to do them all with silver and gold and stuff like that, that would work. If you didn't want to use any of the foil underneath, They would just be a little bit more clear bubbly, but they would still work. And if you just want to go over your foil with a flat top coat of clear over the matte black background, that would work. It is really truly it's unlimited on what you can do. I just wanted to do like glass snowmen. That was in my things to do. So I'm going to decorate these snowmen, top coat them, and meet you back. I love them. Okay, now I have them all top coated and they look like glass from my angle, but to get a great photograph of them is going to be tremendously hard. Just know that they look like little glass snowmen on the nails, and that they're 3D-ish, and that they're cool and they're fun. And you can do them, and it's just something different. And if you do a lot of nails, this is a lot of fun. So anyway, I hope you guys try it in shops. And if you do, please show me. Hashtag me, Inspired by Robin Moses or Team Robin Moses. And I will see them on Instagram or around the world. Join the collaborations that I'm doing on Instagram. And we have it on the 28th of each month. And we take all levels of artistry, and I hope you have fun. And if I'm missing anything, I am sorry. I don't know what my dog is looking at, but he is interested. Anyways, hey, I will see you back with more. Bye.
Bye.